Welcome friends to our DLH Teacher channel. Today we will learn word meanings along with example sentences.
Abundant. Meaning, Hindi. बहुत अधिक, प्रचुर मात्रा में. Sentence. There is abundant water in this river. Hindi. इस नदी में पानी बहुत अधिक है.
Brilliant. Meaning, बहुत बुद्धिमान, शानदार. Sentence, he gave a brilliant answer in the class. हिंदी, उसने कक्षा में शानदार जवाब दिया.
Confident. Sentence, she is confident about her success. Diligent. Meaning, मेहनती परिश्रमी मेहनती छात्र हमेशा सफल होता है. Sentence, a diligent student always succeeds. Enormous. Sentence, they built an enormous building. बहुत बड़ा, उन्होंने बहुत बड़ी इमारत बनाई. Fragile. Sentence, this glass is very fragile. नाजुक, यह कांच बहुत नाजुक है. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our DLH channel for more videos. See you in the next video. Keep learning English.